So I forgot to make a video and show the ammo I found in a at my grandfather's. He gave it to me. It was really dirty. It's 7.62 by 39mm ammo. Probably just it's standard FMJ. I put a magnet up to it, so it's definitely just standard FMJ ammo. Probably 123 grain or whatever the standard is. There is one steel tip in there, though. That is right there is a steel tip, but it's nice ammo. It's Winchester. I put it in this bag. It was in the back of his property, in a shed. It was covered in mud, completely covered. These rounds were entirely worthless until I cleaned them. I used see, get it to focus and stuff and get closer to it. But I used a few different chemicals and things on it. What was it? I used baking soda, I think. Damn, I forgot. It was a while ago I cleaned these. But yeah, you just dip them in this liquid, let them soak for a while, then you get a rag and wipe them off. It cleans them pretty well. It gets all the corrosion and all the other stuff off of them. Yeah, tons of it too. Lots of ammo. I mean, this is quite heavy. So, definitely a great find. Lots of beautiful bullets. That's it. I just wanted to make a video showing this off. I think it's really cool. They look really nice, and you know, it's a restoration. Being that the state before was absolutely terrible. They were completely unusable, literally covered in mud, like literally just a chunk of mud. I picked every one of these bullets out, cleaned them all. It was I think it was vinegar that I used or something like that. Something I don't know. But anyway, you can just Google it online, like bullet cleaning solution. It's just a mix of like vinegar and like baking soda and a few other things. Anyway, that's all. So, bye.